Welcome to my channel, The Way of Learning. Today's topic is opposite words. First one is oral. Opposite word is written. Second one is orthodox. Opposite word is liberal. Number 3, ordinary. Opposite word is extraordinary. Number 4, outdoor. Opposite word is indoor. Number 5, out of date. Opposite word is up to date. Number 6, pass. Opposite word is fail. Number 7, pardon. Opposite word is punish. Number 8, permanent. Opposite word is temporary. Number 9, possible. Opposite word is impossible. Number 10, present. Opposite word is past. Number 11, primary. Opposite word is secondary. Number 12, profit. Opposite word is loss. Number 13, poor. Opposite word is rich. Number 14, punish. Opposite word is reward. Number 15, probably. Opposite word is surely. Number 16, qualify. Opposite word is disqualify. Number 17, quality. Opposite word is fault. Number 18, quiet. Opposite word is disturbed or noisy. Number 19, question. Opposite word is answer. Number 20, quick. Opposite word is slow. Number 21, raw. Opposite word is ripe. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe the channel. The next video is coming soon.